been talking, don't have my mic on. I'm a pro at this, man. I am a pro. So what I was saying is it's Friday night. And I like Friday nights. It's probably my favorite night of the whole week. And then also what I was saying is, if you're watching live right now, please say hi. Tell me where you're from. Tell me a project you're working on. Tell me a project you want to work on. Ask questions. This is kind of raw and not polished by any means, because that's not how you really build. So my intention here is to show how I build with AI and kind of the process. I don't know why this is formatted all wonky, man. I don't know what happened here. There we go. See, it's weird. But yeah, I want this to be an open forum, right? Like, no dumb questions whatsoever. There are no dumb questions in this field. I'm telling you. This is not easy. It's getting easier every day, but it's still not easy. There's a lot of things you have to know, or kind of have a conceptual understanding of anyway. It's probably a better way to put it. So I want you to ask questions, and let's make this a community of learning, because I know what it was like, me trying to learn all this on my own, and it's not easy. It's not. I'm trying to make it just a little bit easier for somebody that's curious, and this is not for the seasoned dev, that's for sure. But you're welcome to stay if you are a seasoned dev, and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong. But I can tell you right now what we're doing is, I have not had this much of an issue, but I didn't prompt it like I normally do. But Opus is being very cautious tonight. But I also did not give it a lot of context, so I'm letting it slide on this one. But we're going to prompt it up a little better next thing we can tackle here. I'm going to try to get this guy moving here, man.
It's a singing melody which flies in 60 days.
All right, so I'm hyping it. I'm prompting it up a little bit because I'm telling you, I will. It would take some convincing to get me not to believe this, but I think especially this model, it's very susceptible to. You got to put it in a mode, right? Like you got to get it thinking a certain way. So I'm telling it. It has full permission to make these decisions because this is the third time it's stopped trying to, clarify something. Anybody used GPT 5.5? What are your thoughts? I did a little bit last night. It was a lot of design type work though, so probably wasn't a great test for it. Because from what I understand and from what I seen last night, it's still not very good at the front end stuff. So we can go to Mandrill here. Let's see, did it create task? Yeah, it did. Maybe that's not from this one. Man, I have got to get people on YouTube. I cannot get anybody to watch on YouTube. I got to do a better job with my thumbnails. I tell you what I could be doing while I'm goofing off here. Let's get... that first. All right, we're gonna get this guy moving on my next thing that I want to do. Just thinking about something here. Trying to think, is that right? Am I getting the name right? I got too many projects going. Can't keep everything straight here. But that's why I have Mandrill, right? So let's go over here and look. This is why Mandrill is so invaluable for me. I don't think I got the right. No, it's not right. It's not right. What is it called, Brian? What is it called? What did you call it? Let's just go start the server, man. Let's just go start the server. Was it? Oh, no, I just started. I forgot. I'll get it. I'll get it. No, I didn't call. I was right. I was right. Don't trust myself, man. Oh, didn't need to do that. All right, so my little hype message to Opus, I think, is working because it hasn't stopped. It's a good thing. All right, so we're gonna get. What I'm gonna do is I want to pull this feature out of another project I have going that I really kind of put on hold for the moment. But this is basically just a TL draw engine that I run local. That's really all it is. Remember, I think I have. What to do here? What to do? Look at these contexts. Excuse me. I have really got to put a search bar in for my project selector. I think I'm going to clear this and just use, because I want to keep the same name. Now, did I start? I did. Good. So I might be able to just. Might already have it standalone.
solo guai mi porterà. L'apparenza a volte inganna, ma che brutta sorpresa. Mi ci vorrebbe una cinepresa, gli amici non crederanno che era quasi inesistente.
You know what? Actually, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. We're gonna. Using amp code headless. That's right. I'm remembering now. I'm remembering now. Right. I'm good now. I'm good now. I'm good now. Come on, man. Come on, Brian. You gotta do better than this. Alright, we got this one stop. What do we got here? Ship checkpoint. Steps 1 through 4 are all in. Mandrill milestone stored. What ships now? I don't want to run that while I'm live streaming because I'm afraid we're gonna have issues. Yeah, I know amp's not on. Okay, we are not. Llama is set up. It's not Gemma 3. Stop arguing with me on this now. It is Gemma 4. It's gonna make me angry. Don't make me angry, Opus. Don't make me angry.
Well, you need to let the head down. Gimlets or a greyhound. With bottoms up, you really can't go wrong. High balls and low balls. Please hold all my phone calls while I drink Stolichnaya all day long. Stolichnaya, not the best that you can buy, but the best that you can drink when you're alone. If you're ever in a rut with Stolichnaya in your gut, you can drink Stolichnaya all day long.
Hold on a minute there. Hold your horses, Opus. Hold your horses. Come on, boy. Get the right one.
Well, I'm from Boston. We drink often, morning, noon, or night. A lot that's frosting at the mouth for just a sip, a soak of milk, a pull of something smooth or something rough. At this point, anything's enough. A kettle, 1 gallon Grey Goose. Yes, absolutely, that's my cup. Stolichnaya, not the best that you can buy, but the best that you can drink when you're alone. If you're ever in a rut with Stolichnaya in your gut, you can drink Stolichnaya all day long. Stolichnaya, not the best that you can buy, but the best that you can drink when you're alone. If you're ever in a rut with Stolichnaya in your gut, you can drink Stolichnaya all day long.
It's trying to tell me that we need to convert it to run it on llama.cpp, but Sure, let's write a small little script. Anybody watching live, say hi. Tell me where you're from. Tell me something you're working on. Somebody talk to me, man. Talk to me, Goose. Chuck is here. Sweet. What's up, man? Chuck is in the house. That's bye. Hey Chunk, what do you told me you use Claude, right? Mainly. Have you tried GPT yet? I tried a little bit last night, but it was a lot of design work, and I don't think it's still very good at that. No, Ask is closed. Yeah, man, the personality is better on GPT now. I did not like 5.4, 5.3. And I only say that just not because I care about like how it talks to me, but because of how it just works, right? And honestly, sometimes I felt like the damn thing was talking down to me, man. Like it was talking above me, right? Be like, dude, you got to bring it down a little bit. Now, I'm a big Claude fan, though. I always come back. So what I'm doing over here is I have this, it's just a TL draw, if you know what that is. TL draw, I think I'm saying that right, yeah. It's a clone, because that's an open source thing. It's a clone, but I wired in a chat to it, and it was actually part of a project called Mandrill V2, just a feature in it. But I'm extracting it, I'm running it as a separate app, and I'm trying Gemma 4.4b, which is a local model I have running on here. All right, so Gemma serving there. not gonna work. Gotta get this dark. There we go. This first test. All right, cool, man. Hey, it worked. Gemma. Nice job. Test the aggro. What is the aggro? Am I missing something? What's going on here? This is my test. Is it going to be able to answer it on the canvas? Hey, it's a little off, but man, it works. And it got the right decision. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. That went way smoother than I thought. But we're going to do something else though. All right. You're making this way more complicated, I think. Where does selection live? Options. Server side. Server.py. Keeps a registry. Models list. Load swaps. Heavy unloads. Reloads. Safe. Sensors each switch. Multi-process. One server. This is the way I want to go, I think. Actually, you know what? Don't need to do that. Just changing my mind here midstream. Because what I need to do let's find out where
Just wanna be with you, sweet little love of mine. I'll do what I should do, everything will be fine, I swear. Just wanna be with you, sweet little love of mine. I'll do what I should do, everything will be fine. I wanna hold you near, say the things you wanna hear. Then it's all the good times touched by you.
we just got to figure out where our save is going. And what I want to do here, first close that out.
Just wanna be with you, sweet little love of mine. I'll do what I should do, everything will be fine, I swear.
Yeah, I don't have anything. I think I need to have.
Just wanna be with you, sweet little.
Yeah, it's saving as a JSON, which is fine for the model, I think.
I wanna hold you near, say the things you wanna hear. Then it's all the good times touched by you, touched by you, touched by you.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Here, we need to work on our. Check something. Can I save? Nothing name. Nope, just a single save. So so we got to work on our ability to save. Hey man, you're back. Cool. Are you working on anything in particular now, Chunk? Open question. Migration. Should the existing default... I'll just start fresh. Junk, what are you doing home on a Friday night, man? Nope. We got a project name. We got a project now. Yeah.
Let's go.
Right. That sounds awesome. Pizza and taking it easy. Ain't nothing better than pizza on a Friday night, man. I don't know if you were in here when I said it earlier, but I love Friday nights. I'm old, but I've always loved Friday nights. Like my favorite night. Especially after a long week. All done. All done. Let's see what we got. First of all, we got to go back tonight. Create a new project. Test. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Claude. Uh-oh. Come on, man. What we got here? Happening when I hit new project and create. Oh yeah. Dude, that's right. Yes. Oh, we gotta put this one up. That's exactly right, man. If I could figure out a way to do this for the rest of my life, what time I have left, I'd be a happy man, to be honest with you. That's what I'm trying to do. Trying to learn as much as I can, as quick as I can, build as much as I can. Why is that not coming up? It should have come up on screen and it didn't. It's disappointing. Oh, I know why. I see. It is a prison, man. It does feel like a prison. And I don't know how old you are, but the older you get, the more you realize it really is a prison. Yeah. All right, it's saying just refresh tab. Let's see here. Well, server's not up, dude. Have to persist that too. Can't be changing that every time I come in here. All right, what am I doing? Create a project. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Not that if it can't read it, it could answer no, but ah. So this, I don't know if you were in here or not, but this is a fork or a clone of TL Draw. And I connected my local Gemma that I run locally. So you're drawing things, or you want, trying to lay out an architecture or something, you need to ask a question. I can ask a question right here, and it's local. Now, how good it is, we'll find out, but so far it's done good. It's awesome at reading PDFs. I know that. And it responded on the canvas, so we're good, man. All right, what are we going to do next? What are we going to do next? I'm going to make sure I can persist my settings. So we're just storing our dark mode in the UI on local storage. All right, let's see. We're gonna find out here. Ah. Come on, Opus. It's because that's got its own mode. That's why. So it's saving the chat panel and the header dark mode, but since we have a separate setting over here, we weren't picking that up. What are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? There we go. There we go. My laptop over here on my side is kind of freaking me out, man. Keeps coming on and going off. I don't know what's going on with that. All right. So now I'm just having it save everything that we've done to Mandrill. That way, later, if I need to come back to it, I'll know what we did. By the way, Chunk, if you ever want to, Mandrill is on GitHub, so it's open. I haven't tried to install it in a while though, so I'm not sure. I think it's fine, but I actually would love somebody to try it and give me some feedback, and if something needs to be fixed, I can fix it. Log in, gotta relog in. Pass it. Did I pass it? I really got to put a search bar in here. Can't believe I haven't done it yet. Not down that far. I've already. How am I missing it?
What should I do? What should I do?
Ah. Ah. Ah.
I've been sitting there.
It's there.
What should I do? What should I do?
I mean, I'd be happy to walk you through it again if you want me to do it. And actually, we could build something, man. If you want, give me an idea. Tell me something to build, and we'll do it start to end. Got no problem doing that, and I can, you can see it from the very beginning. And
What should I do? What should I do?
You just want to see it in action. Well, that's what I'm saying. You would see it in action. Let me see. Let me see if I can. What could I? All right, well, I'm just gonna keep working then, man. So we're done with this one, so we're gonna clear this. Now, I'm gonna try to look at this. I'm gonna scare you with this big picture in a second, I think.
I've been sitting there. What should
I thought it was here.
what should I do?
I gotta go start it again.
I've been sitting there. What should I do? What should I do?
So should be between. Wait.
Give me a piano, give me a guitar, give me a
All right, there we go.
phone. I'll show you many magic things.
So I had it add these transitions. All right, so I can change that globally. Time.
There's only one reason, it's my religion. Music can make me feel good. I climb on the side, I follow the notes. The re mi fa sol la si do. Listen to my voice. I am the queen of sing. I can do magic things. Singing this way.
All right, I'll have to test this tomorrow because I don't want to risk trying to render a video while I'm live streaming. So we'll just close this down.
I'll show you many magic things. It's my religion. Music can make me feel good.
All right, we just gotta get him to save a handoff.
I am the queen of swing. I can do magic things. Singing this way. Give me a piano. Give me a guitar. Give me a shining saxophone. Let me wear my crown and old shatter. Everybody wants to see the queen. Listen to my voice.
Got to make sure he gets in the right project because we were working in another project, and sometimes they'll get. I just hit the mic. They'll get confused. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do next. I know exactly what I'm gonna do next. Chunk, did you tell me that you use Claude like desktop app? Go back to this. I'm paranoid about installing apps locally. I get that for many reasons, honestly. Yeah, I can't. They don't have a desktop app for Linux. So I don't really use the app too much. What am I doing? I am I actually think I like this design the best. This was the original. Yeah, this is the one. I think. I did not realize Spotify was connected on CLI. It's crazy. All right. Gotta go find this file. Yeah. This is gonna get confusing real quick. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, come on, man. All right, so that's the original one that. So I want this fake. Yeah, this is it. Oh, this does not work every time, but let me try it again. Let's see. There we go. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Nope. That's what I'm talking about. That's painful. Is that right? Can't remember, but I better look. Module, yeah.
Sun clouds in the sky, blue light in your eyes, feelings never lie. Why are you so shy? Sun clouds in the sky, blue light in your eyes, feelings never lie. Why are you so shy?
All right, so yeah, I don't know what those things are, man. What I'm having it do here is create our second module in this EDU thing that I'm trying to put together.
Why are you so shy?
Trying to put together a little program for people that are new. Can kind of help them get started. Because I know what I went through. Be right back, man. I gotta get some water and run to the restroom real quick. Chunk, I'm going to assume that you are on the East Coast or close to my time zone. I'm in Virginia, so. Oh, that's right. You told me Oklahoma. Oklahoma. So it is. That's it? Only an hour? So you're on my parents' time. I'm from Indiana originally. You'll probably have to tell me that about 10 more times before I will remember. A limited space. Well, the good news is it just went and ran. It didn't come back and ask a bunch of clarifying questions.
Cinquantenne, scapolone d'oro, laureato, un buon lavoro in mano, brizzolato se lo vuoi super dotato, metto i miei centimetri a tua disposizione, dicono che sono un vero figo. Ti metto pure l'anello al dito, cerco donna benestante ed è fini pendente, dolce sessi aderente, dentro letto intraprendente, non son baci e carezze, bando alle tenerezze, puoi chiamarmi interiore, non puoi perdere l'occasione.
It's up somewhere. There it is. All right, how to chat GPT work. I'm not necessarily paying attention to as much of it because I'm going to change a lot of this. I'm really looking at the graphics, the animations, kind of the overall story, I guess, it's telling.
Adrenalina mille lo conoscerò, le mie fantasie certo non dirà di no, domani le mie amiche invidiare farò, son tutte maritate e si annoiano, lo sento già alla porta, ho il cuore in gola, gli apro la sua vista, già mi innamora, sappiamo i convenevoli, mi spoglia già, ed io tutta eccitata butto uno sguardo là, ma la mia curiosità solo guai mi porterà, l'apparenza a volte inganna.
It's pretty good. It's not bad info.
Mi ci vorrebbe una cinepresa, gli amici non crederanno che era quasi inesistente.
All you need is attention. This is what I talk about all the time. This is what sticks with me, is the fact that it's the probability and it's the path it takes through that neural network. And that's why, they're non-deterministic. And that's why different prompts can take different paths, and why I'm so big on context. Because it matters, man. It does matter. Probability is always...
Cinquantenne, scapolone d'oro, cerco donna benestante. Cinquantenne, scapolone d'oro, dentro letto intraprendente.
This is not a bad touch. I like this. Talking about the temperatures.
Cerco donna benestante. Cinquantenne,
With
scapolone
examples.
dentro letto intraprendente.
That's pretty good, man. Showing how you get your, depending on where you set your temperature at on a model, is determines what kind of pathway and output you get. So it's more deterministic, I guess you would say, more matter of fact on low temperature than as you go up. That's a good example. It's pretty good. These things are amazing, man. One more time. It's not bad. We've got our indicators up here where you are. Trace the prompt. So you go through a tokenizer, then it goes through embedding. All right, this does not seem to be working. All right, no, down here, there we go. Pretty good, man. It's a pretty good explanation. Steps you right through each word and how it associates with the other words. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. That bright color, though. I swear I feel like I make everything dark mode. So I'm trying to make myself make something that's not dark mode. So right here. $85K. You can do another one. Oh. So tell me, Chunk, so I can get a better understanding. What level? And then this is not like judging at all. I'm really like trying to understand, like, what level do you think you're at with AI? Would you say like 1 to 5 scale? Gotta change this. This has gotta get moved. I obviously got to fact check these numbers. All right, it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Pretty good, man. This is not bad. I mean, there's definitely stuff I'm changing, but cost of training 7B, 500K, 10 million for 70B. How are all these open source? How are they doing it? How are they doing it? 100 million. But it costs more than 100 million. Not gonna lie, man. This is something that I wished I would have had when I first started, for sure. And that's kind of my goal. This is pretty good explanations on things. Yeah, I can deal with that. Yeah, let's get this saved. All right. I'll save that to Mandrill. So we got a checkpoint. Yeah, I think I need to go to a chiropractor, man. Never been to one. It's good, man. It's good. It's good. Chunk, if you're still with me, man, is there anything that you want to see? Anything at all? Where did I run that from? I've got to create a script to start this. Two of them open, man. That's an issue. Big issue. Come on. All right, let's fix that. I'll put it here. There, put it there. We are in review. I knew it was going to do that. I was trying to be clear. Said it was going to ask a question, but then it just said, fuck it. Went on. Probably shouldn't have said that on here. I'm going to have to beep that out. Before going further, let me ask you, what do you mean? I mean, what I should have done to begin with is what I mean. Picture is worth 1,000 words of context. If I would have done that to begin with, I would have saved some time. Yeah, sounds a little snarky. It's being a cold robot, man. I've been laughing about that for a couple days. All right, fixed. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Nice job, Snarky. Nice job, Snarky. That's what I should name him. Snarky. All right, so now I just got to do the boring stuff here and go through and approve this. Auto confirm. Confirm 15. Text page header. Good. Image. Good. Let me just do this. Let me go through and see if there's anything we're just outright missing, like right here and right here. That's right. I was going to ask the question about this. I forgot about this. All right, let's do this. Let's take a screenshot. This is where I struggle sometimes. Just do this right here. Page 2, which is really page 3, but they love their zeros, man. All right, page 2. All right, I'm gonna try something. I don't know how good I'm gonna be at this, but I'm gonna try to speak this prompt. All right, let me get on track here. This is partial of page 2 in the last line. You can see it's boxed, but a wide margin, both left and right, is missed in the box. All right, here we go. I noticed the other night and ran Gemma after YOLO model missed that same section. Gemma did the exact same thing. So my question is, why would Gemma miss the exact same area? That makes no sense. So I'm wondering if our constraints on our pixel widths and line widths is interfering with this. It didn't get Gemma right, but let me go correct that. Doesn't understand redneck, man. Or country, I should say. I'm not a redneck. I don't think that was any faster. If I got to go back and correct all this. And I know I don't have to. It would figure it out. It's something in my brain, man. Sounds a little snarky. It's funny, man. I'll prompt the snarkiness out of it. I knew it was something with our constraints. I don't always know the terminology, but that's what I was wondering too. So Gemma is only getting what YOLO is finding, and if it doesn't find something, then that's why. Okay, that explains why my brain's going, man. You gotta stick with me. That explains why this got missed when I ran Gemma 2, because I'm like, Gemma shouldn't miss that. So what I've got to change here in this workflow pixel line width, line constraints is essentially right. That's a nice way of saying, yeah, that wasn't exactly the right answer. Just one layer up from where you were looking. The constraint isn't in our processing. It's YOLO interference resolution itself. All right. It says it fixed that, but I want to do something. Gemma needs to, if I run Gemma needs to read the whole thing and find because we got to remember here, one of the whole points of this is we're going to train this YOLO model, so we're saving data. So we need good data of what was missed. And that's why I'm reviewing. There's a human review loop here. But if I run Gemma and Gemma picks up what's missed, that also can be saved. And then it takes me out of the loop even more. So that's what we want. So what I need to say here, I'm gonna try this again, man. I gotta think through this a second. I gotta figure out where and how I want to tell it to put it. Now, let me ask a question first. I think I gotta think about this a second. Do I want both ways? Do I want both ways? Do I need both ways? I don't. Let me just rerun it first and see what happens. Wait a minute here now. That's right. I gotta set this every time, I think. So I gotta fix that too. Wait a minute. How did I do this before? Alright, well, we gotta fix this first. Still trying to remember how I did this the other night. How did I get this one loaded? Bigger lift. Oh. I didn't mean to say give me a file picker now. I meant to say give me a file picker for now. Sometimes my brain skips words too, man, when I'm typing. So now Snarky's gonna think I'm being snarky. They are finicky, man. Those are freaking mirrors. There we go. No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. I do this. Yeah, that's it. All right, what's the issue now? If it's ingesting at the moment, which it probably might be. We have got to do a better job of showing what it's doing. I'm gonna give it a minute. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Come on, Brian. You can do this. Now that I don't have my labels right. I'm missing time. Missing the time. Come on. It's not running. There's no way it's running. All right. Bad way of saying that, but it will understand. All right, hold on a second there. Maybe I didn't do an ingest the other night. Maybe I opened one I already had in there. That's the only thing that makes sense of why I'm finding all this stuff.
Blue sky and deep blue sea, children shout on the beach, sing loud, dance and feel free. It is a life without switch.
There we go.
Blue sky and deep
Now though,
blue sea, children shout.
do this again. Should probably wait till it's done though. All right, let's see what happens this time. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, below appears below. That's much, much better. Much better. And it picked up that heading. Let's see if it picked up. There we go. Now let's see on that third page. It got it all. Missed it down here. Man. Whack-a-mole. Whack-a-mole. Missed one here too. All right. That one's good. I'm gonna screenshot this whole page. Take this over here, drop it in, back, pick up. A little bit of one there. Is there any rhyme or reason to this? Same area? Could be that. No. Let me give him this one. All right, let's see what it does with this. Pictures, man, images, feedback, 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 feedback.
Well, put it back again. You want it? Well, come and get it, baby. Well, come and get it. Well, come and get it, baby. You want it? Well, come and get it, baby. You got it? Well, put it back again. You want it?
Same line, duplicate predictions, different
Well, come and
labels.
get it. Well, come and get it, baby.
What are you talking about? Which one? That's not a duplicate. That's not a duplicate. This one might be. Hmm. That's odd. That does not look like a duplicate. So I don't know where it's saying duplicate at. Where are you seeing that at? You're giving me numbers I can't do anything with, brother. All right. We're gonna add both. We're gonna add both. All right, man. It's 11:46. My time. It's time for me to go to bed. I got chores to do tomorrow. So, Chunk, if you're still in, man, I appreciate it. I will be back tomorrow doing it again. So until then, this is Rich Top out.
Yeah.